Hey guys, so it is Layla, and if you guys have not seen the new update, that you can adopt multiple babies, which I think is really cool. So yeah, and I also got a new house. I'm gonna do a quick tour on that, and then I'll adopt triplets, which I think will be very, very hard to deal with. But yeah, so let's go on to the tour. So when we go down, well, so, the door is here, and there's a little bridge. Oh, it's cool. So I got a new house. That's a yacht, and here is the bridge, and then I have my yacht, and then over here it's like kind of like a AD color changing. Yeah, kind of small, but I think it's nice. And over here it's like this outside space over here, so yeah, it's where you can chill and hang out. And then over on to the right side, there is beds. This is the baby's room, by the way. I'm just gonna set the babies down here. Yeah. They don't have a sky top view, I don't think. So no, they don't. But they do have a window, so they can get some fresh air. And they also have a seat and a TV. I don't know why they have a TV, but they do. Here is my cousin May's room. It's a very turquoise room. And here is also a projector. And a beanbag. And she has her own little gaming desk. Very nice. And it looks like there's a headset there. So yeah, that's her room. Outside, there is just like the lounge and everything. I should actually add a TV, but we're not going to do that now. Here is a double fridge. You can have hot dogs, burgers, smoothies, and toasties. So yeah. Over here is the toilet. It's very small. It's not that big and anything, but there's a shower and the turquoise baby showers. Yeah. So over here is my room. So here's my bed. It's very modern room. Here is my gaming room. Well, it's my gaming part. And here is just a little place for her to do some TikToks or some videos. Yeah. Here is also my little mini fridge full of Bloxy, like drinks and everything. Here's my dresser, and yeah. And I also have a little TV over here. I can turn off the light. I don't know where the light. Oh, there. Okay, you guys can't just see a little. There's like a little bit of like that. Yeah. It's like these. No? Okay, so now I'm going to be getting a third baby. So yeah, I'm not actually going to bring my babies, but they are asleep. I will lock the door. Oh, and by the way, you guys, my next video, hopefully, I will be able to defeat the Ender Dragon. The Ender Dragon, because on Minecraft, me and my cousins have been doing have been doing a thing where a Minecraft series. So yeah, I'm an adopted another baby, so we're here. Adopt. I don't know what should I adopt. Can I adopt a boy or a girl? Okay, I am going to be pausing the video here. Make sure you like and subscribe. Turn those post notifications. And I also going to be doing shout outs. Yeah, I did a shout out in my last video. It was in tags. I tagged them down below. So I'm only doing one tag. So yeah, and also go subscribe down below too. Oh yeah, about the dragon. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing a Minecraft series. So yeah, like, subscribe.